Hello, baby. Yeah, I'm close already. Please, can you just come out so I can pay the cab man? No, I don't have cash here with me. Don't left. I'm close already. Okay, baby. Okay, no problem. I can't wait to see you also. Okay, bye.
Madam, I know this area very well now.
Cheers.
This is where one of my Oga Jude used to stay.
Oh,
This
you
one.
know him?
Oga Jude. My Oga, if I know Oga Jude. I know him very well now.
Wow, that is nice. Wow.
Anytime, I'm the one that always bringing those guests. As he Oga Jude and women. I used to bring guests for him now. This man! Since the past 2 weeks, I've been bringing in steady guests. Jesus! 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening. As if it's doctor's prescription.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh.
That man, you know.
Wow, that is nice.
People wondering why he did not even call me today. He normally calls me, but he's not coming today now.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that is his house. Just stop there. Stop there.
This house?
Yeah. You can stop.
That's Oga Jude now. Oga Jude.
Solo.
Hello. Now they run now.
Oh, baby. I've been long journey. It's been a while.
After everything I've done for you, after everything I traveled just within 2 weeks, I thought you please bring different guests to my house. I clothe you, I feed you, I pay your bill, I give you everything you want. I make sure you don't
Jesus is Lord.
Me, you bring guests 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, 2 in the evening. Are you mad?
Maybe it's a lie.
You know what? It's over. I'm done with this marriage. I don't ever see my house again. Just get the hell, go inside and pack all your things and get the hell out of my house.
Who told you that?
Your karma did.